This is one of the main reasons I chose Kanyakumari. This view tower. I mean, the view from here is amazing, and the whole thing is just beautiful. There's one thing in Kanyakumari that I love, and that is actually worth coming and visiting, the view tower. So next time you're here, don't forget to come on top of this. The entry fee is 15 rupees. The view tower is really amazing, and I would say it's one of the places that you have to see in this world. Yeah, that's exaggeration, but it's good. Anyways, so I successfully completed the Goa Kanyakumari cycling trip, and now I'm left with the big void. Anyways, I thank you all for watching the series. Not exactly a series, but yeah, I mean, there's something going on. And I would say I am extremely lucky to actually have finished this ride. There are a lot of chances, there are a lot of things that can go wrong, and nothing actually went wrong. So I can't dismiss the fact that I was lucky in this case and I completed the ride. Yeah, so a lot of people called me to wish me, a lot of people prayed for me, and a lot of people supported me. So this was a combined effort, and again, I'm not dismissing the factor luck, because luck is crucial in a lot of things we do, but we dismiss it with a negative thought. But actually it's luck. Most of what we achieve or what we do or what happens to us is luck. And tomorrow morning at 6 I have the train from Nagercoil to CSMT. So yeah, it's a long distance journey, so I'll try and enjoy it. The time is 5:40 and my train is at 6 o'clock. I'm all done, packed, so I'm leaving now. It's just a 5-10 minutes walk, and I should find my train and get in easily. Let's move, it's late. It's so dark. The white light straight ahead is the Nagercoil junction. It's just 5:45 and the activity going on is, there's a good amount of activity going on, so no need to fear to walk and reach here at the night. I thought it's only 5, it will be 5:45 and it will be silent and eerie and dark, but no worries about that. A lot of activity going on, vehicles passing, people coming by, trains arriving, so we are safe. That's the Nagercoil junction. So we are in the train and the train is almost empty. I can just see one person sitting beside me. The 6 seats here is empty, and the train looks a little new. It's pretty clean, so I hope to have a wonderful 36-hour ride in this train. So the train and the journey both have started.
மதுரை வழியாக செல்லும் குருவாயூர் சென்னை எக்மோ ஸ்பெஷல் தடம் 2 இருந்து 6 மணி 15 நிமிடங்களுக்கு புறப்படும்.
Minutes from Nagercoil. There's a big stretch of land stretching for kilometers and kilometers where you can see a lot of windmills. I don't know the exact place name, but there are lots and lots of windmills. It's been going on for kilometers now. This is the Nanguneri station. It has a beautiful view, especially in the morning, I guess. And yeah, this is how it looks. The train is 10 minutes late. The next stop will be Tirunelveli. We have reached Tirunelveli junction. Right now the train is before time actually. After the lockdown, a lot of trains have been arriving at stations before time. It is good. Vada sambar for breakfast. This train has soap. Now I need not worry. Three and a half hours still remain for this trip. Anyways, 28 hours more to go. It's 3:30 and we are at Salem. This train is way on time. We're supposed to reach by 3:45, but we reached by 3:20. 4 hours more. The train has reached Katpadi junction. It was supposed to reach by 7:45, but it reached by 7, and the departure time is 8:15. The time is 3 o'clock, and the temperature inside is minus 500 degrees Celsius. My hair is frozen. And the problem is I don't have a blanket and I can't sleep. Anyways, 15 hours. That's Guntakal junction, by the way. Guntakal. And the time is 3:40. Important tip: never forget your blanket. Never. Ever. Ever. Time is 10. We are at Solapur. More 8 hours to go. That's my breakfast. Hours more. Reached 20 minutes early at Dond, and when in Dond, try the veg pulao. It's not that great, but it's better than the most of the veg biryanis or pulao that you get in the station or in the train. Reached Pune, 3 hours to go. Till now, the train was coming at stations before time. But now it's 1.5 hours late. 1.5 hours late. Damn. Still in Pune. Train was supposed to reach Kalyan by 6:05. It's 6:10. It hasn't reached Lonavala yet. It's so late. We reached Pune at 3 o'clock and now it's 4.5 hours, 7:30. And we are still at Bhivpuri, that is near Karjan. It's 4.5 hours. Finally, after 39 plus hours, have reached Kalyan. Finally, we left Pune at 3:30 and reached Kalyan at 9:15. Wow. Finally, I am home. It feels good to be home after a long time. Not long, but still a while. So, thank you for watching the entire trip, for liking the videos, and for leaving some really nice comments. It was motivating. So, thank you for that, and see you in my next video. Keep LSSing my videos. So, thank you. Bye.